All right, gang, it's HD, Harold Dufresne, and today we are in Harahan. So what are we doing in Harahan? Well, it's me and Lexi today, my granddaughter Lexi. Fan favorite, everybody loves Lexi because she tells you like it is. But it's me and Lexi. I was gonna come eat by myself, but Lexi was at the house. Mrs. D's not with me today. She is having a garage sale at the house and selling all our garage sale stuff. Lexi was there helping her. She found out I was going to eat, so she said, can I come with you? For sure, come on, Lexi. So where we're going, me and Lexi are in Harahan, and we are going to try out today a place. I already did a review for it for the old location, but it's a new location, and I knew I had to come and do a review for it. It is Randazzo's family restaurant over here. This is the Harahan location, and there's two entrances because we came try to eat here last Sunday, and it was so busy we really couldn't eat a couple of Sundays ago. So we said this might be a good chance. It's a Saturday, and guess what? It doesn't look too busy today. Last time we couldn't even get a place to park, but Randazzo's, if you don't know, been around for a while. They have another location over there in Mattering, but they open up this Harahan location. Now, I don't know if they're going to keep the old location still open. I heard they were, but I'm not 100% sure. So, last time I ever went, now we ate at Randazzo's a lot, not a lot, but we ate there quite often. So I wanted to come try out this, and I did a review before. I think it got an A or A plus, something like that. So I wanted to come try out this location in Harahan. It's windy, I need a haircut. But anyway, me and Lexi's gonna go eat and let you know what we think of this new location of Randazzo's. All right, well let me and Lexi go. All right, gang, we made it in, and I tell you the new location is really nice. I mean, I'm so used to the old location of Randazzo's, but I'm gonna show you the new location over here. Ooh, I gotta be careful. There's a TV behind me, and I don't wanna get copyright struck. But here is the inside. Nice. Very, very nice. The last time we came, it was packed in here. It was packed to the max. But I'm gonna put this right here on this side because I don't want to get a copyright strike. So I'm gonna put this menu right there. All right. So gang, what I was gonna get was an oyster po' boy, but then I remember how much I enjoy their roast beef po' boys, and I can't get this to try. I remember how much I love their roast beef po' boys. A couple of times I got them. So I got the 8-inch roast beef, but listen to this. I asked for a side of red gravy because I love to put the red gravy right on top of my roast beef po' boy. You know I love if you don't know me, I love to put red gravy on top of my roast beef po' boy. It's just one of them things I just love. Lexi got the Alfredo fettuccine, right? She gets a salad with that. She almost passed on the salad. I said, hey, what about Paul over here? What about Paul? I like him. What about HD, Grandpa HD? I like a nice little salad, so I took her a salad. And I got a side of potato salad. So gang, hopefully they don't have a football game on today, but because I don't want to get struck. But anyway, we're gonna guy serving us was real nice. He knew what he was doing. He knew exactly what I asked about a small po' boy. He said, "Don't bother with it. Get an 8-inch." So that's what I got, was an 8-inch. Alrighty, let's hope it's loud in here, but let's hopefully the food is as good as it was in the old location, because I always had a great meal in the old location. So let's see what we got when the food starts coming around. We back in a little bit. Oh, I forgot to mention the 8-inch po' boy was like 11 or 12, I think. And Lexi's was about 11 or 12, huh? Yeah, fettuccine Alfredo. So it was about 11 or 12. Not bad at all. All right, let's, and there's a lot of choices on that menu. In fact, look at it right now. All right, gang. Now look, I won't be able to pretend. I'm just gonna have to put a black spot around that TV back there when I'm doing the review. I'm not even gonna try to block it no more. So if you see a black spot right here, that's because they have a football game. Anyway, now I got my side salad. That was good. I mean, I didn't show us eating it. I mean, it's a side salad, but it was good. The dressing was good. But I want to show you what we got. Oh my goodness, this looks pretty darn incredible to me. So let's check it out. There's Lexi's fettuccine Alfredo over there. It's hot, isn't it, Lexi? Look at the cheese. 3 pieces of bread. I got my potato salad. Look at this. Oh, I'm good right now. Look at this po' boy. Maybe I should have got a 5-inch. He said a 5-inch. This is going to be too much. I know it will be. And now I know some people don't like the seeds. I love the seeds personally. Ooh, it feels crisp too. And the red gravy that I asked for. Yep, very good, man. And the red gravy I asked for. So I know this is gonna be messy. So I asked for extra napkins and they gave me some. So Lexi, I hope I won't get sauce all over my oh my, and then I'm gonna make it even messier. Let me try this red gravy. Pretty darn good. I'm putting this red gravy right here on this roast beef po' boy, like an Italian style roast beef. Red gravy po' boy. I don't know how in the world I'm gonna eat this with my hands, I'll be honest with you. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Well, Lexi, here goes. I should have brought me an extra shirt. Wow. Gang, with that, it would be good even without the red gravy. But with that red gravy, the way I like it, excuse me, I'm gonna make a mess. Gang, that roast beef with the red gravy, like I said, even without the red gravy, the bread is crispy. The roast beef, it just mixes so well. It's so gang, let me try the potato salad. Potato salad's good. I'm gonna put a little red gravy right on my potato salad. I'm just going crazy with the red gravy, Lexi. Oh man, that is good. Lexi, how's your fettuccine? She gave me a thumbs up. So gang, I don't know how in the world I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna have to eat this with a fork eventually. I'm gonna do my best to eat it as a po' boy. People say you could tell a good roast beef po' boy about how messy it is, and this is a messiness. Mm. I think I got some sauce on my leg. Lexi's having regrets coming eat with Grandpa Dufresne. Grandpa HD. All right, gang, we're gonna finish all this up. We give our thoughts outside, right, Lexi? I have a feeling we're going to have some good thoughts. So Lexi's shaking her head. So we see what we got. We'll get the bill. We'll go outside and give our final wrap up outside and give our final thoughts. Now I'm going to have to eat this somehow. Oh my. Oh my. All right, be right back. All right, gang. Now, I think I need to take a bath. I'm so full of gravy. I think it's on my leg. No, it did go on my leg. Might went on my shoe, but I'm not sure. All right, gang, we made it out of Randazzo's, the new location in Harahan. Now, the manager, when we were about leaving, came talk to us. She did recognize me from the reviews, and she came talk to me and Lexi. Very nice lady, wasn't she, Lexi? But, you know, even though they recognize me, I'm giving my unbiased review. I always did like Randazzo's. Randazzo's to me always had good food in the other location in Metairie. And I wanted to come try out this Harahan location, and I'm going to tell you, the food is just as good as the one in Metairie. There ain't nothing wrong with the food over here. They serve that 8-inch pulled pork. I should have got a 5-inch. I got talked into where Lexi is. Lexi's peeping down over there. She's hiding. I should have got the 5-inch. That was been plenty. That potato salad was excellent. I love a roast beef with red gravy. I love that you could order the red gravy on the side. I like to put it in my potato salad. I like to put it on my roast beef pulled boy. Gang, I'm giving this place an A. This location, the Harahan location, is an A. Now it's bigger. I don't know if it's bigger, but I think it could seat more than the Metairie location. It's a nice building. The music was excellent to me. Perfect music for like Italian restaurant. I mean, they played some. Oh, Lexi didn't like the music because it probably was some old grandpa music or something. But they played Elvis and Frank Sinatra. Perfect. They didn't play none of that new stuff for Lexi. Well, I'm giving it an A. Now, you know Lexi is very honest, and she gives her opinion, and she has her own opinions. So, Lexi, where are you? All righty, Lexi. You want to step up, or you want to...
Okay.
You wanted to come.
I know.
All right. Go ahead.
Okay, so the cucumbers from his salad was really good.
Yes, I took her salad, but she wanted the cucumber.
The water was really good.
The water was good, and it's free.
Yeah. And my Alfredo pasta was super good.
Oh.
And it was super creamy, and it was super good, and it was super delicious. And the breadsticks, I just don't like breadsticks.
Yeah, I understand.
But that's still good. I still ate one.
Mm-hmm.
So
the breadsticks or like the bread? Was it breadsticks? Yeah. Oh, I didn't see that. Wow.
3.
3. Wow, awesome. Okay.
So I give it an A+.
A+ for Lexi. Very good review, Lexi. Lexi always does a good review. Lexi always goes into details too.
I had to save some for my dad.
Oh, she had to save some for her dad. She did. We had a lot of food left over. Lexi's always thorough. That's one thing about Lexi. She is thorough. She'll let you know how the water was. I wonder if we ever go to a place you're going to get bad water.
Oh, yes, I have that. It tastes like garbage.
Tastes like garbage. Oh, I never was with you when you had bad water. Oh. All right, gang. I don't think you go wrong with this location in Harahan over here of Randazzo's. I mean, come on. They do good in Metairie, and they do well here. If you like the food, if you never ate the food in Randazzo's, you should do yourself a favor and come try them. If you already had, if you already ate in Metairie and you're curious about this location, I'd highly recommend it. Got 2 A's, A from me and A+ from Lexi. So there you go. And I forgot to mention, we used that Clip app. So I had $30 of food for $15 that I bought, and I think that's still available on the Clip. This place is always on that Clip app. So if you want to come eat here, hit that Clip, CLIPP. You're gonna save money and you're gonna get some good food. All right, gang. A+ from Lexi. Her water was great, and she saved some food for her dad. So, so till next time, later.